Hey guys, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service today to take a look at the Toro Snowmaster 724. Now this is Toro's inline two-stage snowblower. So it has some two-stage components, but it does not have a gearbox like a true two-stage does, and we'll get into that here in a little bit. So first off, on the starting procedure, you're going to have your key switch right here. This pulls all the way out, and that's going to make the unit shut off. So in order, when you're ready to start it, you want to make sure that's pressed all the way in. Then we have your primer here. You want to prime that 3 times. Then you have your choke right here. You want to swing that to the left. Now this model is equipped with the electric start, which is right here. And that's just going to use a standard 3-prong extension cord. So what you do is plug your extension cord in. Then you have your red button here on the right hand side. You don't want to press that for any more than 5 seconds. Otherwise, let off and let the starter cool for 5 seconds. That's just so that we don't overheat the starter. Or you do have the option to use the recoil start if you would prefer to start it that way. Once the unit is started, you'll take the choke, swing it back to the right, and that's going to take your choke off, and we're going to be running at full speed. Then we're going to come up to the top here, and this is where we're going to have our controls. So we have our personal pace handle, which operates just like the walk mowers, which is as you walk, you naturally apply hand pressure to the handles, and that's what makes the unit go forwards. Then we have your bail on the left-hand side, or your auger engagement lever, and that's what's going to engage the auger. And you can hold this with your left hand as you're walking. Then you're going to have your joystick control right here. So you pinch this blue button, and then you can adjust your chute, so you can go near or far, left or right, or anywhere in between. Now the nice thing is, because you hold your auger engagement with your left hand, and as you're walking you're applying that pressure, you can actually take your right hand off and adjust your chute on the fly as you're going, which is a great way to be efficient. Then you let go of that lever, and that's going to turn the auger off. As we go to the side, this is going to take us to our oil dipstick right here and the gas tank. One thing that you do want to be careful of is the muffler guard here does blend in as the same color as the gas tank. So just be careful if you do need to refill. Don't set your hand on here. Don't put the gas cap on there. Just be extra cautious because that will be really hot. Then as we go to the front, we're going to talk about the auger housing. So you have your metal auger here, which is like a 2-stage, and you have your big metal housing like a 2-stage, and we have the self-propel like a 2-stage. The only thing that makes this snowblower not a 2-stage is it does not have the gearbox to run a second auger, which is your second stage. So this is what Toro would consider to be an inline 2-stage. So what it does is it draws your snow from the outside into the center and then throws it upwards. And that's what makes it 2-stage like, given that it has those heavy duty components, the metal housing, the metal auger, and the self-propel, but not a true 2-stage because we don't have that gearbox. Alright guys, that's the Toro Snowmaster 724. Thank you.